Come to me. Come to me. Ah. Say thank you, Aunt Lindsay and Uncle Brent. Look at you. Now let's see if she'll go backwards, Angel. Are you going to go back? Ah, look at her go. This is your first car. Oh my God. That's so cool. Ah. Yay.
That's your car.
Oh. Okay, I want to get off. Say bye. Bye. Can you clap? Can you clap? Oh, I gotta go. Clap, clap, clap. Ah, yay, I got my first toy. Yay, my first car. Say thanks, Georgie.